Imagine this. You're leading a project for an international client. You've worked hard, but during a key meeting, the client suddenly goes quiet. Emails become curt. You're confused. What went wrong? You review the conversation and realize it was a cultural misunderstanding. This actually happened to a client of mine. In their culture, interrupting, even with enthusiasm, can come across as rude or dismissive. To them, it felt like a lack of respect. Here's how we fixed it. First, I helped my client recognize the issue. Cultural awareness starts with understanding your own behavior. Then we addressed it directly but tactfully. A sincere apology combined with an explanation can go a long way. My client said, "I'm sorry if I came across as disrespectful, it wasn't my intention. I was excited to share my ideas but realized I may have interrupted you." And guess what? The client's response was overwhelmingly positive. The apology showed respect for their perspective, and the relationship was not only salvaged, but strengthened. This is why cultural awareness matters in business. Miscommunication doesn't have to mean the end of a partnership. With the right approach, you can rebuild trust, and often come out stronger than before. So, what cultural challenges are you facing? Let's work on them together.